عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 9, Algebra 1. We are in model 6 in the last lesson of this model lesson 5, graphing inequalities in two variables. Today, we want to continue our work in this lesson. We have extra practice. So the question, graph each inequality. And I will solve number 1 and number 2 and number 3, then you can help me. So I want from all to focus very well with me to know what I do in these problems. The first inequality, we want to graph the first inequality. We can choose randomly values. For example, if you put the value of x0, means y will be what? Will be 5. Choose the second point. If you would, for example, x -2, -2 plus 5, -2 plus 5 will be 3. Then you can graph the coordinate. The first point, 0, 5. 0 in x, 5 in y. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Then -2 in x, here -1, -2 in x, 3 in y, 1, 2, 3. So the second point will be here. And as you see in the sign, we don't have equal. So draw dash line. Now we want to determine what is the area of the solution. Here you can do test. Take the origin O, 0, 0, and check if 0, 0 in the area of the solution of this inequality or not. So substitute the value of x and y 0. So here you have 0. Less than, is it 0 less than? Is it 0 less than? X will be 0 here, plus 5. 0 less than 5. So this is right, 0 less than 5. So this is correct. Means 0 in the area of the solution. Means the area of the solution here will be here under the line. So we can shade it this area. We can shade it here, this area. So this is the area of the solution. So this is a closed half. This is closed half, and here this is open half. So this area doesn't have any solution for this inequality, and this area have the solution. Who has any question about exercise number 1? Okay, listen to me to solve exercise number 2, please. As you see here, we do the same idea. You can put the value of x0, find the value of y. If the value of x0, y will be what? -3. If the value of x1 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. So 0 minus 3. This is here minus 1. Sorry, in the y. Minus 1, minus 2. This is here minus 3. So this is 0 minus 3. Then 1 in x and minus 2 in y will be here. Then as you see, you have equal in the sign. When you have equal in the sign, draw solid linear. Now we want to determine what is the area of the solution. Take test. We have here the origin 0, 0. Substitute the value of y0 and the x0. Y will be 0. Is it 0 greater than or equal? The value of x also 0 minus 3. So 0, is it equal? 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. Is it 0 greater than or equal minus 3? No. This is incorrect. Inequality. So means 0 or the origin, not the solution of this inequality. Means this area, not the area of the solution. Means the second area or the second part, this is the area of the solution. So you can shade this part. Who has any question in exercise number 2? Now exercise number 3. If you choose the value of x0, 0 times 4, 0. So y will be 2. And if you choose the value of y of x, for example, minus 1. Minus 1 times 4 will be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. Then create the coordinate. We have 0, 2. This is here 1. This is here 2. And negative 1, negative 2. The second point will be here. And as you see, we have equal in the sign, means use solve line. Now we want to know what is the area of the solution. You can check the origin 0, 0. With the value of y0, is it 0 less than or equal? 4 times 0 plus 2. So 0 less than or equal 4 times 0, 0. 0 plus 2 will be 2. Is it 0 less than or equal to? Yes. 0 less than 2. So means the origin here in the area of the solution of this inequality. So means this part, the closed part. This is you can shade it this part. Who has any question about this idea? Okay. But listen to number 4, please. Listen very well. Because after number 4, I want from all to work with the number 5. So here, try to write this inequality as y greater than. So we can remove 3x to the second side. So we can write here 2y greater than 3x will be minus 3x minus 1. Then try to remove 2 from the side. You can divide the two sides by 2. 2y divided by 2 will be y greater than negative 3 over 2 x minus 1 over 2. Then if you choose the value of x 0, will be here 0. So y will be negative 1 over 2. If you choose, for example, the value of x 1, will be here negative 3 over 2, negative 1 over 2. Negative 3 plus negative 1 will be negative 4. Negative 4 over 2 will be negative 2. Then we can graph. Zero, negative half. And look, this is negative 1, this is here negative half, 0, negative half will be here. Then 1, negative 2. Here negative 2, here 1. So the second point will be here. And as you see, we don't have equal in the sign, means use dash line. Now we want to determine the area of the solution. Take the origin and do test. You can try in the first form, and you can try in the second form, no problem. Right. In the first form, for example, the value of y will be 0. Is it 0 greater than minus 3 over 2 times 0 will be 0, minus half. So 0, is it greater than 0 minus half means minus half? Is it 0 greater than minus half? Yes. So means the origin include in the solution of this inequality. Means this is the area of the solution. Okay, who has any question about exercise number 4? Now, I want to from all to write number 5 in your notebook and write this inequality like y greater than. Prepare this inequality to be y greater than. Then choose 2 points, then graph this inequality, then do test for the origin, then determine the area of the solution. Start please, then send me your solution in the chat in the Teams. I will wait you. You have 5 minutes. Start please. I want from all work please. Okay, great work, طيب. So just type send me. Okay. طيب, check with me, please. The first step, try to move x to the second side. So we have here negative 4y greater than x will be minus x plus 2. Then divide the two sides by negative 4. So negative 4y divided by negative 4 will be y. And remember to switch the direction of the sign because you divide it by a negative number. And here will be 1 over 4x. And here will be negative. If you do simplest form here, divide up by 2 and divide down by 2, you will get 1 over 2. Now, you can choose the value for x. For example, if you choose 0, 0 times 1 over 4, 0. So y will be negative 1 over 2. If you choose the x4, for example, 4 times 1 over 4 will be 1. 1 minus half, 1 minus half will be half. Now we can create the coordinate. So 0, negative half. This is here negative half. Uh, 4 and half, 4x and here half will be here. And you see, we don't have equal in the sign, so means use dash by. Then make test, use the origin to know if the area up, if this is the area of the solution or not. So you can substitute here the value of y0. Is it 0 less than 1 over 4 times 0 will be 0 minus half. So is it 0 less than 0 minus 1 over 2 will be 1 over 2. So is it 0 less than 1 over 2? No. So this is not correct. Means the origin not include in the set of the solution. Means the area up, not the area of the solution, will be the area down. This is the area of the solution. Okay. Who has any question about exercise number 5? No questions, guys? Are all ideas clear for you? No one answer me. No questions? Are you hearing me?
No, no questions.
Yes. I will stop here now in this period. In the next period, today we have the next period. In the next period, we will start from number 6. We want to solve the remaining exercises. We will start from number 6. So see you inshallah in the next period. Today inshallah we have the next period. So this is our period today. Have a nice day. See you inshallah today in the next period. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.